Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unarchive a WhatsApp chat on your Android device. If you've archived a chat and now want to bring it back to your main chat list, follow these simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once you're in the app, make sure you're on the main chat screen. Step 2. Scroll down the chat list. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find the Archive icon. This is where all your archived chats are stored. Step 3. Tap on Unarchive. This will open up the list of all chats you've archived in the past. Step 4. Now, long press on the desired chat that you want to unarchive. This will select the chat and give you some options at the top of the screen. Step 5. Tap on the Unarchive icon at the top. This will immediately move the chat back to your regular chat list, where it will appear just like any other active chat. And that's it. Your chat is now unarchived and back in your main chat list, ready for you to continue your conversation. It's a quick and easy way to manage your chats and keep everything organized. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on more WhatsApp tips and tricks.